I'm back. Okay, so if you're new to my channel, hey, I'm Nadia, and if you're not, hey you guys. But anyway, so today's house is going to be the house that is listed for $625. Now I know I shared 5 different homes with you guys. This house, honestly, I would buy this house. I thought it was just really beautiful. Upon the initial entrance of the home, I was like, oh my god, this looks so small, but I would actually buy this one. So I'm going to go ahead and share with you guys, and then I'll give you guys my opinion towards the end. But let's go ahead and jump right into the tour. All right, coming in, there's a room right here, you guys, in the bathroom. I wanted to just show you guys this right here because it's the dining right here, and then the fireplace and the bookcase. I don't know, I'm just not liking the tone of the browns. I'm just not liking it. I feel like I'd get tired of it, and it was stained for sure because I can still see, yeah, it's still a little wet. It's still a little wet, so that means they stained all of this to match everything. Yep, they stained it. It's just weird because the houses are so much, but the work just seems a bit choppy. I don't know. And this is like a bonus sunroom in here, and then here is the kitchen. I do like the kitchen a lot because of the pantry right here. It looks really, really good, and the fridge is right there. But this is definitely one of the smaller plans, which again, I still like it. You know, it's a pretty big house. And then I love the mudroom, so you can at least have 4 people in here. It's just really, really nice. Really nice. I love that. Love that a lot. And then this is outside. Outside is a much smaller space, but I love the fact that all you see is just the trees out there. This looks so peaceful. If I had to give up the water, I would want this. I wouldn't want to see like another house, but I'm not sure in a couple of years if they would tear this down and start building again. I don't know. I know places in Savannah, they already started taking some of these trees down and they're building more homes, so I would need to be like 100% sure like they wouldn't be doing this. But I think the area in the house is really nice. I am just not a fan of this. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is the master. I do love the master. I love it. I love the break in there. Oh, this is so peaceful. Oh yeah, could you imagine sitting in a chair right here, just looking outside? Oh, I do love this. Oh my gosh, I do love this. Here is the bathroom, which is really beautiful.
You see water.
Somebody filled the tub with water? Oh my gosh, the water looks so blue. All right, well, Aiden done found the basement, y'all. Oh, look at that. So this must be the living space because they already have a built-in for the fireplace right here. Yeah, and then here's another room right here. So I'm guessing, oh yeah, look at that. You could do another. Okay. I like this. Good job on finding this, Aiden. I wasn't even gonna come down here. So the house is actually huge. Okay, I like the house. I was kind of tripping a little bit like. All right, stepping out of the master, you have another room. So this is only a 4-bedroom. Yeah, and this room is really big too. Oh, and then you have a small little patio, closet, bathrooms right here. So this is a Jack and Jill setup here. Oh, they put water in all these tubs. I'm not really sure what's the reasoning behind that, but oh, this room is super small. Super small. Yeah, this room is really small, you guys. So now I'm going to take you guys into the second house, and if I'm not mistaken, I believe there's about a $30,000 to $40,000 difference in price. I could be wrong. Again, if you guys are interested, check out Brenda. Beautiful entry. Look at that, gorgeous. You guys, look at this kitchen. This is everything. Oh, dining, gorgeous. OMG, look at this sink. It is ridiculous. Mudroom, absolutely gorgeous. And I'm gonna find out, washer and dryer back there, but I believe the price of this home is in the fives, like 500, and this is gorgeous. This is really nice. Ooh, this is the master. Ooh, you guys, look how big the room is. It's actually a really nice size. Look at this. Now this tub is huge. I don't really care for the tiling and everything all around. And then you have a closet. I love the shower. I love the shower. The shower is really pretty, how it just goes deep. And then here's another closet. Now the closets are huge. Don't know how I feel about the tub. The living room looks really good. Looks really, really good. Oh, I love it. I'm gonna zoom in just a little bit so you guys can see the backsplash. All right, off to the living. You have the outdoor space, which is so huge. I'm not gonna go out there, you guys, just because I don't really feel like it, but it's really nice. Oh, can I just have a white kitchen? Now this is a pretty big lofted space. Oh, I like it. So let me see what this is here. Oh, this is really nice. I like how big the rooms are. I'll show you guys really quickly. Rooms are huge. And then the bathroom is right out here, which is really pretty. Ooh, you guys. Now this is considered a Jack and Jill. There's a shared bathroom. The rooms are really nice. And then they have these two little nooks in here, but this is a Jack and Jill setup. So you see, you have these two little cubbies in here. Super cute. And then the bathroom is right here between both those rooms. So when you come out, is this room and this room that's connected. So there's 3 rooms upstairs. Hopefully in the video, sometimes my excitement, I don't always record every single thing, and I noticed through editing that I didn't share every single thing. So when you first came in, I wasn't in love with the fireplace in the first house, but I was in love with the second one. There was maybe like $20,000 to $35,000 different between the 2 houses. So the one that I'm talking about now is the one with a really, really large kitchen. And I didn't care for the master bathroom, the way it was kind of caddied in the middle, and it was like a hexagon in the front. I didn't really care for that, just because I didn't see the purpose of it. If it was a round tub, I feel they should have rounded it out or do something. I don't know, but I didn't really care for, or even a freestanding tub would have been okay too, especially in the middle. But anyway, I thought that house was just beautiful. And I was like, oh my gosh, I love everything minus the master. The rooms are really large, great sitting space upstairs. It was a beautiful house. The second house, I love that one even more. And let me just say this, when I came into the house, I was like, oh, this is really cute, but it was small. The kitchen was really small, but I love the pantry against the wall. I thought it was just super nice, and I've actually been seeing that a lot. So I was like, oh, this is really cute. It's different, even though it's still like your cookie cutter home in a community, but still that was really nice. What blew me away was the basement. The basement offered another 3 bedrooms or 3 open space, and then you had the built-in already for the fireplace, and I was just like, oh, this is just so beautiful. And then the master upstairs, I fell in love with the master. I love that small sitting room, sunroom with the windows going all the way around, and I I don't know, like I definitely saw myself having coffee and everything. No, I'm not in the market to buy a house. No, that ain't even in my budget. But I just felt like, out of curiosity, I wanted to kind of go into these homes and not only go into them, but also share them with you guys from a designer's point of view. And I thought the house was just really beautiful. The finish on it was just great. I didn't really have any complaints, you know. I think the price could be a little bit better. You know, like 500 would have been okay, but I get why it would be like the 650, because they did put all the trimmings, the extra windows and stuff like that. So I do get that and stuff, but I just thought the house was just really beautiful. It was really, really beautiful. But that's pretty much it. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave them down below, and I'll be more than happy to address them the best way that I can. All right, but anyway, you guys have a really great one. I hope to see you guys again. If you haven't already, definitely feel free to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.